So, Greg McLaughlin, I'm the Vice President of Global Sales Operations, and I have four main areas of responsibility, including sales enablement, sales operations, learning and development, and I manage our global CRM platform for Getty Images. Getty Images is a company that licenses visual imagery to arts and media companies, creative agencies, corporations, advertisers, anybody that uses imagery to project their brand image. They typically come to our website and license our images. Sure. So I've been implementing CRM and MDM solutions for more than 20 years, and I've been doing it since those acronyms were even acronyms, which is maybe a claim to fame of some sort. But most recently at Getty Images, we engaged in a business transformation where we streamlined and optimized the majority of our front-end sales, marketing, and customer support processes, and we launched a new CRM platform to 30 offices across 20 countries in 5 continents, and we did it in a 6-week time frame. So it was kind of a whirlwind project, and it went really well. Yeah, we brought Dun Bradstreet in very early in our business transformation project because as we were changing the company's processes and rolling out a new technology, we wanted to build a really strong foundation upon which to build the processes. And data is really critical to our operation to make sure that we're reaching out to the right customers, that we understand who the customers and the prospects are. And we quickly realized it's more than cleaning your data. It's about persistency of keeping your data clean over a long period of time and having a regular rigor around identifying how your data gets into your systems, where it goes once it gets in, and how do you master it across those systems. And I learned about MDM as D&B learned about the MDM, and as the industry learned about MDM, I kind of just went with the flow and over time built up a little bit of expertise and have a little bit of success with it. It's important to understand where your data lives. Where is our data? Where is it across all these different disparate sources? I also think it's important to understand where the data originates. Who creates data and where and why and how? And it's important before you even try to engage in an MDM strategy to start to look at your process and figure out how can we start to minimize the unique creation points of data. Because the fewer points, the easier it is to govern, the easier it is to master. From there, you do need a third party. You can't do it yourself. You need somebody who's got the expertise that Dun Bradstreet has to know where all these companies are, how they relate to each other, how the hierarchy is set up. And so you need to work with a company that can bring that level of added expertise into your organization. You have a culture of helping your customers to succeed. And the reason I'm here as a Dun Bradstreet customer and the reason I've succeeded with some of the initiatives that I've done is Dun Bradstreet took me aside a long time ago, 20 plus years ago, and taught me what it means to have clean, mastered data. They taught me the ins and outs of the Dun's number and the Dun's hierarchy and all of the different codes. And 20 years ago when I was a lower level marketing professional, I was deep into the details, and I learned with my hands-on how to manipulate the Dun Bradstreet data, how to use it, how to present the value of it to the people around me. And so as I progressed through my career, Dun Bradstreet has come along with me, and they've continued to teach me the value of having good, strong, mastered data. And then in turn, I've tried to spread that same word to the people around me. And Dun Bradstreet's gone as far as to help me teach my teams. So they've come in and spent hours, sometimes they spent the whole day, just really showing us the ins and outs of how it all works. And I think that's really been a huge factor in making these different solutions successful at the various different companies that I've been at.